Okay, good morning everyone. So, because you all are cannot attend the meeting in Zoom, so I will provide you the materials of our lesson for today. But first, let me introduce myself. So, I am the your teacher for the next 2 months. So, my name is Niputu Anggi Natalia Sugita, but you can call me Anggi, Miss Anggi. I was born on 24th of August 1999 and my zodiac is Virgo. And my hobbies are watching movies, jogging, and also reading. So if we have the same hobby, maybe we can share it later on. And then my current address is in Jalan Kakatua number 9A Singaraja. So it's a boarding house. So my motto is this too shall pass. I believe that everything will be okay in the end. That's why everything is going to be passed. Okay, let's move to the next agenda. It is about our material for today. Maybe in the next meeting, I want to know your name. Let's just do this in the next meeting. Now we are going to discuss to the material. It is about chemistry in everyday life or in daily life. So, the first is, what is chemistry in general? Apa itu kimia secara umum? I'm sure you already known about this because you are a science student and you get the material already, right? So, chemistry in general is the science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of substance, defined as elements and compounds, the transformations they undergo, and the energy that is released or absorbed during these processes. Jadi, secara umum, kimia itu adalah ilmu yang berkaitan dengan sifat, komposisi, dan juga struktur zat yang didefinisikan sebagai unsur dan senyawa, transformasi yang dijalaninya, dan juga energi yang dilepaskan atau diserap selama menjalani proses tersebut. So, this far, do you understand? Well, I hope you get the material. And the next, this is the vocabularies of chemistry. So, I'm going to say how to pronounce each word in these blocks. So, the first is substance. Substance. It means zat in bahasa. The second one is compound. Compound means senyawa. And then heterogeneous mixture, campuran heterogen. And then the fourth one, homogeneous mixture or campuran homogen. And then properties. Properties, it means sifat in bahasa. And the next one is composition. You can repeat after me. Composition means komposisi. The next is chemistry. Chemistry means ilmu kimia, and it's quite different with the word chemicals. Chemicals, which mean bahan kimia in bahasa. And the next block is acids. Acids, which mean asam, and alkaline. Alkaline, which mean basa. And then molecule. Molecule. Then emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agent means agent pengemulsi which contained in soap. And then the next one is enzyme. Enzyme. Next one is preservative. Preservative. And artificial. Artificial. And then the last word is food additive, which mean zat untuk mengawetkan makanan atau menambah rasa pada makanan. The next one, the implementations of chemistry in daily life. Do you know about this one? The implementation of chemistry in daily life? There are actually chemistry is a big part of our everyday life. We will find chemistry in daily life, in the foods we eat, in the air we breathe, our soap, our emotions, and literally in every object we can see or touch. So, chemistry is having a big role in our everyday life. In foods, clothes, buildings, medicines, agriculture, transformations, and so on. Okay, this far I hope you understand. Okay, let me tell you the example of how chemistry used to our daily life. The first is in soap, of how soap cleans. Soap means sabons in case you don't know about it. So, soaps are sodium or potassium fatty acids which produce from the hydrolysis of fats in a chemical reaction called saponification. Each soap molecule has a long hydrocarbon chain. In water, the sodium or potassium ions float free, leaving a negatively charged head. Soap is a cleanser that can act as a emulsifying agent that capable to suspend all dirt and can remove it. So, sabun dalam kehidupan sehari-hari itu dipengaruhi juga dengan proses kimia, di mana dalam pembuatannya, dalam sabun melakukan pembersihan itu sendiri, itu melibatkan proses kimia di dalamnya. And then the second one is about why onion makes us cry. Have you ever cut onion before? Pernah memotong bawang? Penasaran kan kenapa setiap kita memotong bawang, air mata kita itu selalu jatuh? The answer is chemistry. When we cut onions, we break cells and releasing their contents. Enzymes that were kept are separated and mixed with the sulfonic acids to produce propanediol sulfate, a volatile sulfur compound that wafts upward toward our eyes. This gas reacts with the water in our tears to form sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid burns and stimulates our eyes to release more tears towards the irritant way. That is why when we cut onions, there is a chemical processes, so our tears are tearing. Okay, have you all ever fell in love before? Masih sedang hangat-hangatnya nih remaja jatuh cinta. Jadi kimia juga berperan dalam perasaan cinta di dalamnya itu. Because when we fell in love, high levels of dopamine and related hormones such as norepinephrine are released during the attraction. These chemicals makes us giddy, energetic, and euphoric, even leading to decreased appetite and insomnia, which mean that we actually can be so in love that you can eat and also cannot sleep. And when we fell in love, our brains undergo several changes and also some chemicals compounds are released. Love supported by the hormone oxytocin, vasopressin, and also endorphin. That is why, in chemical way or in chemistry way, falling in love can be explained. Okay, we move to our main material for today. It's about chemicals in our foods. Jadi kimia dalam makanan kita. So, di sini Miss memberikan beberapa peran kimia dalam makanan kita. Yang pertama, kimia itu berperan dalam membuat food preservative atau pengawet makanan. Preservation of food by salting, canning, and pickling uses the principle of chemistry to prevent food from damage due to the enzyme activity and the growth of food decomposing microbes. Jadi, untuk membuat pengawet makanan itu bisa melalui proses kimia juga, sehingga makanan bisa awet dan tahan lama. The second one is make artificial sweeteners. Manis buatan juga menggunakan bahan kimia atau proses kimia untuk membuatnya. Artificial sweeteners such as corn sugar are made by chemical reactions to replace ordinary sugar which is unsuitable for people with disease such as diabetes. And then the third one is varied color in fruits and vegetables. Jadi, Kalau kalian lihat warna buah-buahan dan juga sayuran itu berwarna-warni dan juga berbeda, itu adalah proses kimia juga berperan di dalamnya. Various fruits and vegetables have varied colors because they contain a special type of chemical compound called carotenoids. Jadi, compounds berupa carotenoids itu yang mengakibatkan warna berbeda dari buah dan juga sayuran. And the next, the chemicals that usually used for foods and it's harmful. Bahan-bahan kimia yang biasanya digunakan untuk membuat makanan dan juga efek sampingnya. Jadi we almost to the age of our material. Yang pertama yaitu MSG, monosodium glutamate. I'm sure you already familiar with this word, right? So MSG is a common food additive used to intensify and enhance the flavor of savory dishes. Some people do have a sensitivity to MSG and may experience symptoms like headaches, sweating, and numbness after eating a large amount of MSG. So, if you know this, please consume less foods that contains MSG, such as in snackies. The second one is sodium nitrate, frequently found in processed meats. Sodium nitrate acts as a preservative to prevent the growth of bacteria while also adding a salty flavor and reddish pink color. One review showed that a higher intake of nitrates and nitrosamine was associated with a higher risk of stomach cancer. So if you consume a lot of sodium nitrate, you will risk of getting a stomach cancer. The third one is guar gum. Guar gum is a long-chain carbohydrate used to thicken and bind foods. It's widely used in the food industry and can be found in ice cream, salad dressings, sauces, and soups. It can swell 10 to 20 times its size, potentially causing issues like obstruction of the esophagus or small intestine. That is about guar gum. The fourth one is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a preservative often added to carbonated drinks and acidic foods like salad dressings, pickles, fruit juices, and condiments. Jadi itu dia sodium benzoate. Oke, yang kelima ada xanthan gum. Maybe this is not familiar to you, but you can read this material. It is also used in food. The sixth one is benzene. It's known also as a human carcinogen. It usually found in drinks. And the seventh one is ethanol. It's usually found in alcohol, but it also can be used as improve the taste of food extracts. Okay, I think that is all about my explanation. Maybe you can also read the material in the PowerPoint. I already shared it actually, unless you want to try to read in the review section of our classroom. So this is your turn. Please comment below in this room in the comment section about mention one role of chemicals on foods and give a little explanation of it. Comment your answer in this section of comment. Jadi, tugas kalian sekarang adalah komen di kolom komentar yang tempat Miss mencantumkan video ini. Komen salah satu saja, satu peran kimia dalam makanan yang kalian ketahui. Seperti yang Miss jelaskan di slide sebelumnya. You can Google it if you don't know. You can search for it on the internet and then you write down your answer in the comment. So, the role of chemicals on foods beside as a preservative, as sweetener, and also other on. You can write down your comments today and add your answer in it. So this is about your project, but don't worry, this one I will tell you on the next meeting while we meet in Zoom meeting. Don't worry about this. And thank you. I think that is all about this video material. I hope you find this video and also watch this video until the end, because yeah, I give my effort to do this. And if you watch this until the end, you must know what should you do, and please comment in the section below about your answer about the quiz that I give to you. Okay everyone, thank you, have a good day and stay safe. See you on the next meeting.